Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the setup's a little different today. I am going to be trying to do a weekly vlog for you guys. So I've got the week off work this week and I thought it would be an ideal opportunity to try and do a weekly vlog and, try my hand at it, see what I'm a bit like. So I've just come back in from walking the dog. It's very wet, very cold and very windy. I did just try and get some footage, so I will insert that in. I'm not entirely sure how good the footage is because it was very, very windy and cold and my hands were probably very shaky. So, like I said, I got the week off work and I thought it would be an ideal opportunity as I'll be doing more than my usual boring week. And this week, I've got a dentist trip, I've got a hairdressing appointment, I've got a trip to Primark I'm going to do, and next weekend I'm going to Alton Towers with some friends. So lots of vlogging opportunities. So like I said, I've just been to walk Jake and it was very cold out. I'm going to go change into my comfy now and get ready for Chris coming back. He's gone out to pick up some Chinese food and I am so excited. So I will catch you on tomorrow maybe?
The hero has returned with Chinese food. Nom nom noms. Look at all that food. I'm so excited. This is my absolute fave. Salt and pepper tofu. Oh. And then I've also got satay tofu. And we've got some things to share, and then Chris has got his meaty stuff. It's probably enough to feed us for the whole weekend, so yay! And Jake's hungry too. Hey Jake. Nom nom nom.
Hi guys, so it's Sunday and I've just been filming a video. Can you tell? It's a Halloween look being a cat. Meow meow. I really like it. I did a super easy one kind of for work the other day and I've just kind of recreated it, kind of showing you guys what I did. I think I was a bit hopeless in all honesty because it's my first time really doing a tutorial and wasn't necessarily the best, but I tried. So that one should be up before you see this vlog. So let me know what you think about that. Like I said, I did my best. Wasn't perfect, but I will do maybe an everyday makeup tutorial in the future very soon. So anyway, I just kind of popped on just to say hi, meow meow, I'm a cat. So this is Sunday. Basically all I've done today really is I took the dog for a walk this morning. And then like I said, I've been filming this Halloween look. I did watch some Daredevil on the TV earlier with Chris. And now pretty much I have nothing to do but walk around my house looking like a cat doing some housework. It's gonna be good, guys, it's gonna be good. So I'll probably sign on and see you guys again tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, it's Monday and I've just filmed a video unboxing my Birchbox advent calendar. We're super excited to get that open. Here it is. I kind of don't know what to think. I did like a lot of the products in there, but there are some that I was thoroughly kind of unimpressed with. Don't want to sound negative because I think you do get a decent amount for your money, but there were things I was quite disappointed with. You know, and now you got an item that I've just got on my Feel Unique Pick and Mix, which like basically cost me nothing. In there was something I got in my last Birchbox that I really didn't like. But in there they did have some nice products too, so if you haven't checked that video out, it'll probably be up by the time this video is, so go and check it out now. Okay, so I'll just show you the advent calendar. So this is the calendar. It opens like a little drawer, and inside you have some drawers. Like I say, there are a few really nice products in there. There's an OPI, a Tangle Teaser, there's items from Benefit, from Pixie, and you know, there's some really good ones, but like I say, there's also some really kind of not so good ones. I just got this in a Birchbox and I tried it and I felt like basically it did nothing for my hair. You know, I think my conditioner actually works better to kind of nourish my hair than this did. And in there was, what number was it? There was a Rituals. Was it in here? No. So here they had a Rituals hand balm that I've just got in a Feel Unique Pick and Mix, which like I say, that cost me nothing. So to get that in there, it seemed like a bit of a cop-out. There were some, like I say, nice products, like decent brands, but like 5ml of product. There's like basically nothing in here. So that's a little disappointing. Like I say, we've got some really nice items. I think this stood out for me. An OPI. Look at the colour. It's so beautiful. OPI is my favourite nail polish brand. And actually, not that you'd tell from my nails today, but I do like to take care of my nails, so that's nice. So like I say, go and check out that video. Hopefully it'll be up by the time this vlog's up. And you can have a little look at that. Okay then, now I'm going to go sit through there with Jake and get myself a cup of tea. So I'm just in Morrison's car park. I've just pulled up. I'm just about to go get some shopping because I'm going to be making a mac and cheese tonight. Yum, yum, yum. So I've just got back from a walk with Jake and I've had to take my contact lenses out because they're really bothering me, but my glasses are reflecting everything. So, oh look, I can see me in my glasses. Hello. So I'm probably not going to vlog anymore for the rest of the day. I might add a little bit of footage of me cooking the tea. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Huge pan of pasta, ready for the pasta bake. Okay, some vegetables sizzling away, ready to all whack together into a bake. Looking very colourful and sizzling away nicely. So over here I'm doing something a little bit crazy and I'm cooking meat. I suppose I don't know if I've mentioned on my YouTube channel, I'm a vegetarian. So this is strictly for Chris, although Jake's very interested. Hi Jake. So yeah, hopefully it'll turn out okay. It's gross, but you know, if you like that kind of thing, I'm sure it's nice. So the bacon is sizzling away. Vegetables kind of like half cooked, just so that they'll be okay. And I have over here mixed a bit of sauce in with both of the pastas, just to stop it from drying out. Then I'm going to whack it all together and put it in the oven with some cheese. Okay, so I've done 2 portions. This is Chris's with bits of bacon in, and this is mine. And as you can see, I've made far too much. What I'm going to do is pop these in some ovenable dishes, then top them with cheese, and then pop them in the oven for a little while until they're golden and lovely. Fresh out the oven. If you can actually hear, they are sizzling slightly. Okay, and I'm going to dish them up and enjoy. Nom nom noms. How cute do my little Halloween characters look in my living room? Basically, now that the filming's done for October, I don't need them. So Jake and I are going to chill and watch the originals on Netflix with our 3 little friends. Super cute. Hi guys, it's Wednesday. I didn't film it all yesterday, sorry. Basically I wasn't really up to anything exciting. I walked the dog, I went to the dentist, did some jobs around the house and did some video editing, and then basically just chilled in front of the TV last night. So nothing really exciting to show you. Today then I'm going to the hairdressers. I've got quite long hair at the moment. I'm thinking I'm getting it to about my shoulders, but I'll show you what it looks like when I get back. So then guys, I am back. I've just had my hair all chopped off and I really like it actually. I mean, it's going to take some getting used to, but I think it's fab. Let me know what you think. So like I say, I tried out new hairdressers. I was really impressed and I'm really happy with the results. So let me know what you think. Now I think I'm going to go maybe have a cup of tea and things, and then the plan is to head out and do a shopping trip in Primark, and I think Chris and I are going out for tea. Hello guys, it is Thursday. This morning I've taken the dog for a walk. We've been on the marsh. I got a little bit of footage of that. It was very wet, cold and drizzly, so it doesn't maybe look the best, very grey. Now I'm just getting myself ready. I'm going out for lunch with my mum and my sister. We're going to Broccoli Hall. It's a nice little hotel, and I will get some footage while I'm there. It's all very pretty, so it should look nice. So like I said, I'm heading out for lunch with my mum and my sister. This is what I'm wearing. My coat is from Primark. I did it in my last haul. And then my top is from Dorothy Perkins, as are my jeans. My boots are from Lindsay, and my bag is from Boohoo. Hi guys, it is Friday and today is the day we're heading down towards Alton Towers. So it's lunchtime, we've just dropped Jake off with Chris's parents. I know it'll be fine, but I really hate leaving him and I feel so guilty. Anyway, I'm just going to finish packing a case of mine and Chris's stuff and then we're going to head off. So I think the plan tonight is literally to drive down, check into our hotel. We're going to go play the Extraordinary Golf, I believe it's called, at Alton Towers, and then head back to the hotel for a couple of drinks and some food before heading to the park tomorrow. So today's outfit then is a jumper from Stacey Solomon's range at Primark that I just picked up. There is a Primark video coming on Thursday, I believe, after you've watched this video, hopefully on the Monday, I think is the plan. So this is a little sneak peek of that. So lovely cozy jumper just with a little top underneath and jeans from Dorothy Perkins and some boots which I believe were Dorothy Perkins too. I'm going to put on a coat and possibly a hat if it gets a little colder, and then tomorrow I think I'm going to have to wrap up really warm because it's going to be cold and a long day. Hi guys, so I'm just editing the video. It's going to be a little later up than I intended. I do apologise, just obviously we've been away for the weekend and then Jake was scared of the fireworks, so I kind of just wanted to look after him instead of focusing on editing the video because he was really quite bad, bless him. And anyway, we had a fantastic time at Alton Towers and the fireworks were absolutely phenomenal. It was very, very busy and I didn't really like that part of it, but the rest was absolutely wonderful and we had a fantastic weekend. We came home and we walked Jake, we got a bit of a bird show as you've just seen. So anyway, that's it. I think I'm just finishing off the vlog by popping in this video. So please let me know what you guys think with being my first vlog. It's probably pretty long, but I did get up to quite a lot this week, so I've tried to include as much as I can. Let me know if it is too long and I will try and do it a little bit shorter next time, cut out a few things. So if you've enjoyed, please hit that like button and drop me a comment and let me know, and subscribe and tell your friends, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!